Good morning. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Welcome to a new trading week. Hopefully, you had a wonderful day and a wonderful MLK day. So, let's get to it. We love it when the market is opening green. Nice. We can do a lot of stuff. I want to talk about a couple things that I wanted to do. My rocket is down, Riot is a little bit up. Bitcoin was fairly stable over the weekend. So let's see. The banks are doing okay still. I told you last week or 2 weeks ago I sold out of lemonade. I don't know if I want to get back in. I was hoping for another drop maybe. I sold it. I got out at about 100 and when it was near 180 or so. It will be nice if it drops a little bit more. Then I may want to put in another trade to go long. But for right now, I'm not going to push it. No need to rush. So today's move, I have a trade on Visa that I want to do, and I'll explain the logic real quick. You see it's slightly up, but if I'll show you the 5 day, you can see it's down. It was up to 210. If I show you the 1 month chart, you can see this big push here. It went from 205 upwards to about 219. Then you see this downtrend. Now, normally, that's bad if you're going long, but it's good if you have a cover call, which I do. So my cover call is almost useless, and it still has some time on the option. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to get some more premium. So stay tuned for today's episode. Don't forget to hit the like, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and if you want, I do have a Facebook group for experienced investors where I do post more or links to articles where I'm not doing videos. And this is where it's a social investing group. So people can share ideas, post things, have debates on whatever topics you want to have. And that is the Experienced Investors Outpost, which is, if you Google that, you'll see that. And I also run another group, Investing 102, covers a little bit of everything also. So these are the groups that I run, and eventually, as these groups get bigger, they become more valuable because a lot more investors will be sharing what they're doing in real time. So let's get on to the trading. So here's my Visa. This is a cover call that's expiring at 2:15. It's a strike. We already look at the price. You see it's at 202, and that's several weeks out, right? That's 2 weeks out. What you can do is I can roll it up to be $5 away for next week, which is earnings is coming out on the 29th, and I can play it that way and collect some premium and then start rolling it forward. There are many ways to play this. You can do something like this, collect a smaller credit a little bit further away. That's about a $7 move. I tried playing around with this, but this doesn't make sense. To move something to this week doesn't make sense because look what at a 205 it doesn't make sense, and I don't want to do this because that's already in the money. This strategy is not going to work. So what I'm going to do is I will shorten the date and then move it maybe to 210. My goal is to make, I always try to make 20 or 30 cents, or maybe even something like this will work. I can collect $85 in my pocket today. And then if Visa moves up, which it might, then I have to roll this because this is earnings. And if you look at the earnings release, you got to be careful about this. There is volatility for earnings, and if Visa pops to 210, 215, or 218 or whatever it is, this cover call, you're going to play catch up eventually. But I'm willing to do that. I want to try to pocket some money today. So, with that being said, let's shoot for 92 cents. And let's see, can I make the $90 in my pocket today? We'll do the trade. And we'll see what happens. And you see I was going to lower the price. And you see that it got executed. So at 9:48, it is executed. So that's a good thing. Let's move on to the next trade. Okay, here's the next thing I'm looking at. Look at Riot. Riot blockchain is going down for whatever reason. It popped up really high this morning. It opened up early in the morning. It hit $27. You see it's going down. If you look at real-time data here, you can see that Bitcoin is still up today, but let's see if we can look. But look, here's the other. Ether's hitting new all-time highs. What I need to do is, if I can look at the chart here, what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin, I need Bitcoin to stay up. So I don't know, is it dropping down suddenly? But let me look at it. So I don't see anything here. I look at the Bitcoin chart. This is for today, and you see it's uptrending. I don't see anything negative here. Not sure why blockchain has such a violent move. Here's the 1 week chart. What I may do is take advantage of this little dip now by rolling it closer to the market price. So I'm going to try to collect this $2 here. And in case I want to make it, I may even do it like this. Right on the money right there. Let's collect our $400 now. If it moves back up, I'll make money right away. Let's see if we can get that trade across real quick. And here you go. I just got it across at 9.55. I noticed I made a mistake with Riot. I wasn't trying to roll it out. I was actually trying to roll it up $1, but closer to this week's expiration. So this is a mistake, not what I wanted. But now it's a little bit harder to fix. I'll wait. I'm not going to fix it today. You got to wait for some movement in the price change to see what I'm going to do. So on to the next trade. Doesn't really matter. The good thing about trading is if you only have one position, you're stuck and you just have to live with it. I have multiple positions, so I move on to another trade and try to make it up another way. And here you go. My thinking is closing this one here. It says 38. I'll plug into my spreadsheet. $38 is what you get. I have 4 of those contracts. I will make 58% return because I only collected 92 when I opened it. 18 days left on this trade. So I will do this, I believe. So let's put the trade in. And a quick look, 10:05, it is done. That trade is in. Let's move to the next one. I'm now looking at Microsoft. This one I collected about 90 cents here, plus another little bit under 40, or closer to 50. So if you add it up, it's about $1.40. I can close it for about 72 maybe. So I think this is a trade where I made money. And let's try to close it at 71. Again, it's profit. I made it. I'm going to close the position. If anything, I can always restart it back up. It didn't sell yet. I'm going to open a new S&P 500. Since I already have a February 26th, I'm going to go a little bit farther out. And I know I get less premium, but I'm okay with that. I already have a 4 out there. You see that? So I'm going to create a 5. This one's going to be a little bit wider. I'm going to do a 410, which is $5 long further out than the previous one. And I'm also going to go with a free 25, which is $10 lower than this one. So I'm padding in due to the extra time. I'm going to give it a little bit wider and show you what the odds are on a free 25. The delta is a minus 11, roughly a 3.5% chance of hitting it. And on the top side, we're going to go with a 410. The delta is about a 10 or a 9 and about a 14% chance. For tracking purposes, I just plugged it in here. I'm probably going to do 5 contracts. What you saw is I closed this one here today, and I did close this one here. So I have some money freed up, and I can create a new one here. And I think it was fetching about 110 for each one. And a quick look, you'll see they all went across. Of course, they did it in whatever. It wasn't all one transaction, but that's fine. I logged it in. It was $1.13 each. Go into my tracking spreadsheet here, and I'm going to put in 113. And again, they're really boring. I'm not even getting the wide width, but again, I'm going for quick, easy wins. I don't care what's going to happen this week for new presidents. I don't care what's going on in the world. I don't care if markets are going up or down. I don't care if Bitcoins are up or down. I'm just playing this safe so I can guarantee some dollar bills. Again, so I close those other positions. Okay, that's all the trades I'm going to put in. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you are able to learn or maybe see how I trade and how I pick the strike price or the using the percentages. Again, I play very conservative. You can probably make more if you take a little bit more risk. I'm just not going to do that. I'm just going to do it safe. I'm okay with making a few bucks per trade. As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day.